as one day is better living 100 years as a sheep. My message is, wake up! The world people, you are the power, not these coward leaders, those who are watching genocide and they are sitting on the high places. They are not the powerful. You all people are the power. If you wake up today, these people are nothing. If they don't listen to you, throw them out. You are the power. Sooner you realize, better it will be. They scare you. They want to tell you you are nothing. They bring you police. They bring you army. But remember, nothing can stand in front of any revolution. Nothing can stand in front of people. This world is for the people, not for the rulers. Even Pharaoh, even these all-powerful, they die. You all gonna die as a coward or gonna die as a brave. Remember, you gonna be on the right side of the history and telling tomorrow to your children, your grandchildren, you were standing against a genocide. Are you gonna tell them, we was coward, sitting home, listening to music, watching the Netflix? What are you gonna tell your grandchildren? Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! And it's not only people from the air. People from all over the world. Specifically, you Muslims, you believe you're gonna die and you're gonna face the day of judgment. Where are you? Which side you will be standing? How you face the God? How you will face your Allah? How you will face your Prophet? The day of judgment. What are you doing? Come out streets. Time is now. Free, free Palestine!
Actually, one whole world is busy going with their song contest, and when they're busy celebrating their things, exactly in the same time, thousands of children in Gaza are getting killed, and hundreds of every day they are dying because of that. And if you see that so many shameless Muslim countries, you cannot even do a demonstration there. They will punish you, they will imprison you. And here you can see in Sweden, the Swedish people, they are standing for the humanity, for the Gaza, for the Palestine. And there are 56, 57 countries which are so shameless, and including my own country, Pakistan, it's so much shamelessness that they are celebrating their shit, they are celebrating their songs, and they are doing this kind of things. And other hand, there are genocide going on. They are bombing every day. They are killing children, innocent children. They are killing old people. They are killing women. People are demanding is like dirty competition. Very dirty competition, actually. This genocide. This is you can hide. You're supporting genocide. You're supporting genocide.